In this video, we will be discussing and demonstrating safety and proper operation for the Aviation Snips. Prior to using the Aviation Snips, you want to ensure that you are always wearing safety glasses when using the Snips. The Aviation Snips have sharp edges and you want to be careful because it will cut you. Wearing a good quality pair of gloves will help prevent you from cutting yourself on the Aviation Snips or the sheet metal that you're cutting. Do not use cheater bars on the handles of the Snips. You are trying to cut material which is too thick if you have resorted to this technique. Do not use Snips as a hammer, screwdriver, or pry bar. When cutting with the Aviation Snips, use the lower 3/4 of the cutting edge. Do not use the tip. The Aviation Snips are used for cutting soft metal only. Hard or hardened metal may damage the cutting edges of the Snips. Use the right size and type of Snips for the job on hand. Do not try to cut sharp curves with straight cut Snips. Use only hand pressure for cutting. Never hammer or use your foot to get extra pressure on the cutting edges. If you are resorting to such a technique, you are using too small a snip. The metal is too thick for the capacity of the snip. Oil the pivot bolt on the Snips occasionally. Keep the nut and bolt properly adjusted at all times. Using the lower 3/4 will ensure that you have a nice clean cut. When using the tip, it puts small deformations in the metal, and it does not give you a clean cut. And lastly, make sure they get put back when you are done.